Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Wanted to make a full update on the short term. Looks quite interesting on the higher time frames, and especially since this weekend. There hasn't been much strength in the entire crypto market. I mean, obviously there have been coins that have rallied, and there's always opportunities. But if you take a look at Dogecoin, I mean, since the last time I covered it, I mean, ultimately, this is the daily time frame, right? So this is very zoomed out. But we lost that momentum, right? Or we lost that balance we had up here after finding resistance there at the yearly rolling VWAP, and then on Friday, obviously after the bad news, we lost it. So we had a bearish breakdown. And since then, we hit a pretty significant support level, even though we still have a bit of that support level yet left. That we have not hit, but that's the support level right here around 18.5 cents, so 0.185. However, even though that is a very strong support level with a 0.786 FIB, with the fair value gap, with a 90-day rolling VWAP, and just a normal high time frame demand zone, we're not really getting that much of that much strength. Right, and that's not a good sign. All right, you always, like, if you have a strong support level, or at least a support level with a lot of confluences, which normally should be strong, and you're not really getting that much of a reaction from that, and then the first time you retest the 0.618 fib of the move up, you instantly spike down. That's a bad sign, right? So that means that sellers are in control, and that's not good news. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, which we'll zoom into in a moment, I do think we have a chance to put buyers in control again. There are some reasons to suspect a move up. I mean, first of all, Bitcoin overnight has been pretty strong, and we're still holding a crucial level right here at 105,000. If we can hold that, we can actually expect some more strength and some more bullish momentum for Bitcoin, which ultimately is very positive for Dogecoin as well, which is correlated to Bitcoin for about 85%. So yeah, but on the higher time frames, like I said, I'm not too bullish on Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a coin right now I would look to buy. I think a lot of coins actually look quite weak. If you look at Solana, Sui, they look very similar, even though they're gaining much strength, or more strength, my apologies. But I think something like Ethereum, for example, is much stronger. But all right, on the 1 hour time frame, we have enough reasons to go up, like I said, with Bitcoin and the imbalances to the upside. But now it's crucial for Dogecoin, and this is by far the only thing you need to know. It's crucial that we hold this level right here at 19.3 cents, right? So that's 0.193. If we're able to hold that, we have broken this balance here on the 1 hour time frame, and that in combination with the other factors we've spoken about, I think is enough to push Dogecoin higher into that previous resistance here at 20 cents, but also into that resistance right here at 20.5 cents. And then from there we'll see, right? I mean, it's very much go and see, right? So it's if we hold this level right here, we can actually rally up higher, and then whether we can rally up higher or not very much depends on how we react to certain levels. At this point of time, our main resistance level up here is around 21.2 cents. I think it's unlikely we're going to get up there, right? And that has to do with that Bitcoin, yeah, it's showing some strength, but ultimately we have some crucial resistance levels up there as well. So that also translates to resistance for Dogecoin. And then outside of that, like I said, the higher time frame comes in, and from there we're not really getting that much conviction that we can expect a lot of momentum for Dogecoin. So no, short term, as long as we're holding 19.2 cents, I think we are going to rally back up to 20 cents. I think we have a good chance to rally back up to 20.5 cents, but it is fully contingent on holding that level. If Dogecoin, for whatever reason, it could be news, it could just be normal price action, is unable to hold that, and we drop back down under 19.3, 19.2, we're back into the balance, and we're just going to stay down here with a potential move even down to 18.5 cents. So keep that in mind. But that's what I think you need to know regarding Dogecoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.